How to schedule auto power on or off on your Android phone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the settings application on your device over here. As you do that, what you can simply do is on the search bar over here that's available, tap on it and then search for schedule. As you do that, you'll be able to see different options that pop up below over here. Just wait for a while and here you can see the option of schedule power on or off at the very bottom. So tap on it. As you do that, here you can have two options, power on time and power off time. So as you toggle on this option, here you can select the time where you want to power on the device. So you can tap and select the time over here and then tap on OK and tap on repeat and select where on which days or when would you want to schedule your power on of this device. You can customize it as well according to the day that's more preferable for you. Then tap on OK and then tap on power off time and then select the same process over here as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.